Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a long overdue update on the Beaker Mug contest situation. For those of you who don't know, a couple of months back I started a contest, and two winners of this contest are going to receive their very own Beaker Mug. So I have two of these Beaker Mugs here, and they're going to go out to two winners. So I've changed the rules a little bit on how to enter the contest, so I'd like to just go over those changes with you. So here's how you enter the contest. So first of all, you need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and it used to be a requirement that you had to add this video to your favorites list. I am no longer making that a requirement, so you don't have to favorite this video to enter, or you don't have to favorite the first video that I originally posted when I announced the contest. Don't worry about adding any of the videos to your favorites. The reason why I originally made this a requirement is because it used to be in the older YouTube formats that your favorites list appeared on your channel on your channel page automatically. Although this is no longer the case. So the whole idea behind favoriting the video would be anybody who views your channel page would automatically see my video on your favorites list, and that would just give me a little bit more exposure. But since this is no longer the case, I'm no longer making it a requirement that you have to favorite the video. So you do have to be subscribed, but you don't have to favorite this or any video to enter. And then the second criteria used to be the third criteria, but the second thing you have to do is correctly answer the following questions. So this is obviously the hardest part of entering the contest. So here's the question. Suppose a new negatively charged particle was recently discovered. Performing an oil drop experiment similar to Robert Millikan's, you calculate the charge of 4 oil drops to be negative 1.2 times 10 to the negative 6 coulombs, negative 5.4 times 10 to the negative 4 coulombs, negative 7.2 times 10 to the negative 12 coulombs, and negative 3.0 times 10 to the negative 2 coulombs. Based on these results, what is the charge of this mysterious particle? So again, all you have to do is just subscribe to my channel and correctly answer this question in order to be entered to win the contest. Now, how do you answer this question? Well, you could send me a message through YouTube. You could just message me on my channel. You could contact me through my website, which is benschemvideos.com. You could fill out a contact form. There are several ways to do this. I wouldn't recommend posting a comment because then everybody would see your answer and that would reduce your chances of winning the contest. But there you go. That's how you enter the contest. And the drawing will take place on Sunday, March 24th. So that's going to be the final drawing where I announce the winners of the contest. And if there is only one winner of the contest on that day, then he or she is going to receive both of the Beaker mugs. So I got to send these things out, and if there's only one winner, like I said, that winner is going to receive both of them. But I hope I can get a little bit more participation than I have been getting. One last thing, and this is kind of unfortunate, but I know I have a lot of international viewers out there, but unfortunately I cannot send the Beaker mugs to anywhere outside of the US and Canada. When I first started this contest, I had no idea how much the shipping costs were, but just to send something as small as a mug, overseas is just it's astronomically high. The shipping costs are outrageous, and I simply just can't afford it. So again, I know there's a lot of you out there in other countries that view my videos, and I am just as thankful for your support as I am from anybody in the U.S. or Canada for that matter. Again, if you do get the question right, and you win, if you win the contest, so to speak, I will acknowledge you. I will put your name on the video, and I will, again, thank you for entering and thank you for your interest and support. But the fact remains that I simply can't. I just can't send it out to you. So I hope you understand. And all right, so there's the update to the contest. This is going to be the final update, so it's like I said, it's long overdue, but I'm pretty excited to send these Beaker mugs out. And again, thank you guys for all your support, and I hope you have a good day.